Introducing the 2020 McLaren GT. The GT, which arrives this fall with a starting price of $213,195, might not fit comfortably within the traditional boundaries of a grand touring car. Its exterior styling is subdued relative to other mid-engine supercars, even those made by McLaren. Making the GT more comfortable than its stablemates is a fairly straightforward affair. Its suspension is most similar to that of the 570S in that it uses anti-roll bars and adaptive dampers instead of the more exotic proactive chassis control 2. The GT uses a version of the twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 familiar from the 720S. The GT setup makes a 98 fewer horses than the 720S, but that means the GT still makes 612 horsepower, which is significant. That should be enough to launch the GT to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. Performance is as follows: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds, 0 to 100 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds, standing quarter mile in 10.8 seconds, and top speed is 203 miles per hour. The GT's engine uses a higher compression ratio than the 720S's, 9.4 to 1 versus 8.7 to 1, and relatively small, low inertia turbos minimize lag and make for flexible power delivery. Any vehicle configuration has limitations, and McLaren is locked into its basic mid-engine architecture from which all modern McLarens are built. For a small independent car company, a fresh platform for a single new model would be very expensive. The company has shown an impressive ability to tailor its vehicles to a variety of forms and purposes. The GT is the most comfortable McLaren, or maybe it's the McLaren of grand tourers.